In this Pictory video, I want to show you how to work with elements like emojis, GIFs, and stickers. And I also want to show you how to add transitions, which is what happens when a scene ends and a new scene starts. So first, to add emojis, you could basically go to the Elements tab. We looked at Story and Visual so far. And inside of here, you could click any one of these and it's going to add it to whatever scene you're on. So let me go to this scene. I'm on scene 1. That was highlighted. You see whatever scene is highlighted over here, that's where it's going to add it. And I could drag this to anywhere I want. And if I wanted to always be there, I could copy it to all scenes over here. I could duplicate it. So if I want 2 of them, I could go ahead and do that. If I want to delete it, I could go ahead and do that. And I could just grab it from the corner here, any one of these corners, and make it smaller if I want to, like this, and put it somewhere within my image. So if I preview this, this is basically what this clip is going to look like. This is how the animation is, and this is not moving. This is just a plain emoji here, and you have a ton of different options available over here. GIFs are really interesting, especially if you're making social media content. This is super useful. And again, you have a huge searchable library over here. And with these, you could, again, with any scene selected, you could grab and put things anywhere you want. And again, these have the same options as the emoji, where you could go ahead and resize them. You could even make them as large as the screen here if the size is right. So these are available. And then you have stickers. So I'll go to this scene, for example, and if I want to add any one of these stickers, for example, like this, I could go ahead and select it, and I'll put it over here. So that's emojis, GIFs, and stickers. Then you have transitions. So here, to add a transition, you click this right here. It usually happens between clips. If you split a clip, it can't happen. So I splitted this clip so it doesn't happen, and in the beginning it doesn't happen. It's just gonna start. But these are the different transitions, and there's not gonna be a whole bunch because you don't want to typically choose many transitions. You wanna choose one across your video. You don't wanna do like a star wipe and like a wipe left and a smooth left. And if I hover over each one, you'll see what it looks like. So this is a wipe down, this is a wipe left, this is a wipe right. So you could hover over any one of these. Let me choose smooth left here. And you could go and add the different transitions in the different scenes. What I usually recommend is when you like a transition, like the smooth left transition here, you could go ahead and select it, and then you could apply it to the entire video so you have similar transitions. And I really don't use transitions much at all. I like the straight cuts that you see where it's the default when there's no transition applied, but I did want to show you that transition. Transitions for some reason can't be previewed correctly. I haven't been able to see them. So I usually notice them when I download the video. That's why I like that they have a little preview over here, at least, where you could kind of see, if you hover over these, what the transition will be and how it would go from scene to scene. So I'll leave these so you'll see it when we export the video. So between these type of GIFs and emojis, these are called elements. Make sure you add those when appropriate. For social media videos, great. For other things, maybe for educational content, not so great, right? You want to keep them more professional, so you don't want these type of things. Even though it makes it kind of fun, I usually don't use it in my videos. And then you go through and add any type of transition or apply it to your entire video. Now, in the very next video, let's go to audio, because this is going to really bring your video to life. Music and AI generated voiceover I'll cover in the very next video.